In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your efficiency using Pipedrive's automation tools. Let's get started with a simple walkthrough that will help you set up and manage your email templates and activities within Pipedrive. First, head over to the Pipedrive homepage. If you're not already familiar with it, Pipedrive is an intuitive tool designed to streamline your sales processes, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to locate and click on Automations. Automations in Pipedrive are a fantastic way to reduce manual tasks, allowing you to focus your energy on more critical customer interactions. Now that you've clicked on Automations, you should see an Email tab appear. Click on this to access the email automation section, which is specifically tailored to help you manage your communication strategies more effectively. This step is crucial because utilizing email templates can significantly cut down on the time you spend crafting individual messages. Once you're in the email tab, you'll find a range of templates available. Click on a template that you feel best fits your needs. Should you be unsure of which to choose, a good tip is to go for one that already aligns closely with your most common email communication scenarios. This will save you time customizing every single detail from scratch. Having selected a template, you'll notice a Continue button. Click on it, and this will lead you deeper into the setup process. At this stage, you'll want to add an activity. Doing so is vital because it ensures that you're reminded of all the necessary follow-ups with your clients or team members, maintaining a transparent and detailed scheduling workflow. After adding an activity, the next step is to click Use Template. This action confirms that you are satisfied with the template and ready to proceed with it in your automations. Following this, you'll need to select stage to determine at which point in your pipeline this automation will take place. Click on Qualified to set this particular stage. As you proceed, you'll encounter an option to wait a set amount of time and then if the deal hasn't moved stages. This step introduces a buffer that helps manage deal velocity and keeps your pipeline flowing smoothly. In the drop-down menu that appears next, select 1 day, setting the appropriate time delay before the follow-up action is triggered. Following this, you'll want to add some specifics to your reminder by typing in an activity subject. This helps maintain clarity in your task list, ensuring you or your team members immediately grasp the purpose behind the reminder. Next, click on the due date drop-down and select the same day to ensure that the scheduled activity aligns perfectly with the day it's created. Click on Call to set the type of activity, a critical step especially if you want to ensure voice communication is a part of your routine. Finally, to preserve all your work, click on Save as Draft. This secures your setup, allowing you to revisit, adjust, or fully implement the automation later when you're ready. By following these steps, you'll set up a robust email and activity automation system within Pipedrive that enhances your productivity and keeps your workflow organized and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy automating with Pipedrive.